Hello guys, today I am going to explain you conic section and special curves of the method eccentricity method or general method. And with this method you have to draw a parabola. So how to construct a parabola according to the question and according to the dimension given in the question you have to draw. You are watching Wise Tech Engineering Drawing YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob. So guys, if this question is applicable for diploma and ITI students, so this problem is in the exam you will have of 10 marks or 15 marks. So with my skills how to draw this parabola by the easy method, you will come to understand. Definitely you will satisfy with this problem. Then how to do this parabola I am going to explain you. Okay. So the question is, construct an parabola when the distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm. So first you have to draw a normal line like this, then a directrix like this. Okay, so this is the directrix line, this is the normal line. You have to draw label A, B and C. This line is directrix. This line is called directrix. In the question, he said when the distance of the focus from the directrix is 50 mm, means from the directrix your distance is 50 mm. So you have to take 50 mm according to the question. 50 mm. This point is focus. Means in the question he said from the directrix to the focus you are having 50 mm distance. For different dimension, if he gives you 60 mm, 70 mm, you have to take 60 or 70, like that you have to take. Then after taking the directrix distance from directrix to the focus, you have to remove the vertices. In the parabola, in the question it doesn't says you the eccentricity, because for the parabola E is equal to 1, you have to take half of this, means 5 centimeter half is 2.5, means the another vertices you will remove, because for the parabola eccentricity is 1, that's why you are taking half distance, because in the question it doesn't give you the eccentricity. Before my this in ellipse problem, there in that question eccentricity was given like 2 by 3. So you have taken two parts, you have divided that 50 mm into 5 equal parts. Then from focus you have taken 2 parts. Okay. In this parabola you have to take only half of this, because eccentricity is 1. Okay. Now after drawing this vertices, removing the vertices, you have to see that this how much dimension you are getting, this 2.5. So that 2.5 only you have to take upward one line. This point is, this end is E. Then after you have to join, make a line from C and E. By joining you have to make a line. Then after you have to divide this line from vertices into 5 equal parts. For example, 1 centimeter you can take, or 1.5 centimeter or 2, like that you can divide it into 5 equal parts. It's up to you. For me, I am taking 1 centimeter distance like this. 1 centimeter divisions, I am taking 5 divisions. Okay, after taking the divisions, label the number like this, 1 2 3 4 5. Then from that 1 2 3 you have to draw a perpendicular line according to the normal. 1 2 3 4, then 5. Like this you have to do. Now then after After labeling here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one upward you have to label it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. Like this you have to do. Then after, take your divider and measure this distance from 1 to 1 dash, and keeping on focus F, you have to take an arc on that 1 dash and one perpendicular line like this. Then after getting the arcs, you have to label that this point is P1 and this is P1 dash. Then same simultaneously you have to do for other points from 2 to 2 dash, and keeping on F focus, you have to take an arc. Once again I am taking, keeping on F only, like this, F like this. This will be P2 and this will be P2 dash. Then 3, you have to measure 3 to 3 dash, keeping on F, taking an arc. This will be P3 dash. Then 4 to 4 dash, you have to measure, keeping on F, taking an arc. This point will be P4 dash. The last 5 to 5 dash, you have to measure, keeping on F, you have to make the arc. This will be the P5 dash. After removing the points, you have to make an arcs. We have to draw on the curves from vertices. For example, V to P1 with a free hand first you do, then P3, P4, P5, and extend the curve like this. And then after you dot that curve like this. Then from vertices P1 dash, P2 dash, P3 dash, P4 dash, P5 dash, then extend the line. This is the parabola constructed according to the dimension 50 mm. This is the parabola you have constructed. Then according to the question the dimension given in the question is 50 mm. So you have to show the dimension also from the directrix to focus 50 mm. So extend a line from F focus, and from there draw a dimensioning line, arrow marks, and how much it is? 50. Write it as 50. This is the complete solution of parabola. To construct a parabola by eccentricity or general method. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel. And you are watching Wise Tech Engineering Drawing by Muhammad Abdul Mehboob. And please share, like and subscribe my channel, and please comment in my YouTube channel inbox. Thank you.